All right, so in this video, we're going to talk about the lottery app. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to create the files and the pseudocode. So first thing is you just go to your Visual Studio Code here. You right click and click new file. And then we're going to create a HTML file that's going to be used just to open the JavaScript file. Call that playground.html. And then we're going to create another file that's going to hold all of our JavaScript. So the first thing to do is we're just going to link the two files together. So this is just script code. And you don't have to memorize this. You can just get it from somewhere else. This is just next.js. And you can see there's autocomplete. If you just press tab, it'll finish the autocomplete for you. And then same thing, it automatically created that as you type it in. So we're just going to save this here by pressing Command plus S. That's going to save that. And this is just going to link these two files again. So done with this file, we can close this out. So the next thing we're going to do is just write the pseudocode for the lottery app. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy paste the description of what the lottery app is. And this is just from the PowerPoint. And I'm going to press Option plus Z at the same time. That way, the code doesn't overflow onto the rest of the screen like that. So this just makes it a little bit easier to see. And given how zoomed in we are, we can get rid of some of these asterisks. So again, this is just to make it a little bit more readable. But again, so this app's going to allow the user to pick 4 numbers. Some numbers are going to get called ranging from 1 to 100. Numbers can be used multiple times. If the user gets one number right, they win $5, 2 is 25, 3 is 625, and 4 is 390,625. All right, so the first step that this program is going to do is we're going to get the 7 winning lottery numbers. The next thing we're going to do in this program is we're going to use a counter variable to keep track of all the correct picks. Then what we're going to do is we're going to ask the user for lottery numbers, so for their picks. So we're going to get user input for their 4 lottery numbers. Then we're going to check to see if the lottery numbers are right. And we're going to do that one by one. And then finally, what we're going to do is we're going to tell the user how many numbers they got correct and what their winnings are. So that's pseudocode. So this is really helpful when you're writing a new program, just so that you have a sense, kind of like a blueprint of what you're going to write and what the code's going to do. This is also going to be super helpful later because this can be used for comments so that other people looking at your code or you looking at your code, months later when you forget it, you can see what the program is actually doing. So we're just going to save this, and then we're going to move on to the next lesson for now.